Alright, so welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to be designing a fully functional beautiful fintech website from scratch to the end in less than 10 minutes using AI. So yeah, you get that right, in less than 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do first is come out to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you the whole steps from which I started till the end. So the first thing I did was to come to ChatGPT to get the prompt, and I say, what are the key features? What are the key features needed for a fintech website? And ChatGPT gave me all the key features that are needed. And then I went on to tell ChatGPT, that the name of the fintech website is Tutorial Pay, and the target users are users across Europe, right? And ChatGPT came up and said perfectly and gave me all the details that I needed. And after that, I went on to tell ChatGPT to give me the primary color and as well give me a prompt to give me the primary color should be this, and then ChatGPT went on to give me more details on that. Then I went for that to tell it, give me a prompt to generate this fintech website using magic pattern, and here is the prompt. So what I can do now is to copy this prompt from the start till the end and take it to magic pattern. So let me just copy that. Let me come here, or I can simply copy it here and just edit out the stuffs and come out to, although it gave me the website copy here, and this you can use, but let's move on to the AI we are going to be using to get this. So I come out to this place, and the name of this website is called magicpatterns.com. So you can search for that. The link will be available in the description of the video. So I'm going to come here and paste that prompt I got from ChatGPT. Paste, and here we go. This is the prompt. So I'm going to edit the prompt now, take out all of this, take out this, and also take out this iPhone here. Take this out and go to the end as well. Come back to this end here, right? So I'm going to take out from where it started the footer, and the prompt gives magic pattern blah blah blah. So this prompt gives, I'm going to take this from here out because it's not needed. All right, so I'm taking this typography sleek and take out the star as well, and then let's click on. There are other settings you can do with this, but let's just go on with the usual one. You can actually set those up later. You can also import screenshots. You can import stuffs to make reference to whatever you want to do. So I'm going to click on start and come to this top, to the right hand corner. Magic Pattern AI is doing its job to actually finish with the website, and once this is done, we create a fully editable website in Figma. Yes, they are fully editable, something you can take to Figma and customize to your fit, to your taste rather. So let's wait for that to finish and I show you how to take it up to Figma. Alright, so Magic Pattern just finished its work, and here is our beautiful website ready to be exported to Figma. Can you see how amazing this is? So you will not understand. Let's click on some things. Look at, if you click on features, it takes you, click on pricing. Okay, we did not design for these sessions. Let's click on login. Alright, all of these are actually yet not functional because we did not get started. We can actually go back to ChatGPT and tell it to give us the other prompts for all of this. So for this, let me first show you how to take this to Figma, and you can edit it. We can come here. If you want the support session, you can tell it to design for the support session using ChatGPT. So I can come back to ChatGPT here and tell it to design for the support session. You come up here, there's the key features. Out of all the key features, let me come to this get started. There's the pricing. Okay, let's tell it to design for the pricing session. So you can come here, design a prompt. You can tell it, say a prompt, sorry, pricing section. What other section do we have? The pricing section, um the login session. Come here, pricing session, comma, login section, and what other section? Let me see, and sign up section. So I'll just input that, and I'm going to take that out. So prompt, design a sleek website. So all of this is going to start afresh. So this is the pricing section. The best way to actually do this is to actually copy each of this section and take it. So we can go on to the login section, copy all of this here, and take it back to magic pattern. Ctrl C, I'll come to magic pattern, input that, Ctrl V, and it's a login section, and then we can click on enter for this, and it's going to design that for us, right? So I'm just going to show you how to copy this to Figma. Look at this part here. Look at why that is working on. Let's come to this part here that says export to Figma. Click on that. Okay, once you click on that, you see this code here. This is something you can copy. So click on copy. You can copy that and go to Figma. So let's go on to Figma. This is Figma. And while on Figma, you can go to plugin. Look at the plugin section here. Come to the plugin section and search for magic pattern. And this is the one we are looking for here. The logo should come up. Let's click on magic patterns, and that's the logo. You have to see the logo to be sure that is it. So you click on here, Ctrl V to paste that ID you copied, that design ID, and click on import, and wait for the magic, and all your designs will just be ready here. Here you go. So we have our design imported. So I'm just going to cancel this, and this is for the mobile version. Let's wait for maybe this is for the mobile version, right? I can as well go back for the, what is it called? I can as well go back for the desktop version. So let's go back to the AI. Alright, let's come back. Okay, let's come back to the AI so we can change the layout we have now. Come to this responsiveness, and we can choose the okay, we have the tablet version. So for all we designed was the mobile version. So okay, so we should have put it for all. So we have, you see, everything is very responsive. If you want to put it for starting screen, it's very responsive. So whichever, for what we design is just mobile. We said mobile app, that's why I've got this. So if I want for tablet, we can expand this for tablet, and I will come to magic pattern to export to Figma here as well, and copy this code, then go to back to Figma. So I can still come back to this place, go to the magic pattern while that is loading. Alright, so I can actually paste that code here. Again, import. So this way we have for other screen here. So click on this, drag it here, and how this is, look at, we have our heading here, right? Look at the heading here. I think there was a mistake copying. Look at, everything is properly here. So for this that we copied, there might be a mistake while copying this, so we can restart that, erase this, go back to Figma, come back to this, erase that, take it back to the first tab we have. I don't know which one was that, but whichever one, you see how this is very responsive, very responsive, very responsive. So I can copy this, come here. I don't know which one the other one was, but we can actually copy it to get the website. So let me go back to Figma. All right, okay, so come back to magic pattern plugin, magic pattern, and then impute that code, import it. So here we go, we have the smaller screen size here. Look at it, we have the smaller screen size here, and everything is really editable. Look at everything, look at them, you can edit everything here. Everything is editable. Look at it. If I want to change this text here, I can click on it. This is the text. So here, all right. So I can edit anything here. If this is what you want to edit across Europe, if you want to edit this, if it's the text you want to edit, you can actually edit anything here. Let's say get started. Let's say login now. Log in. You can change anything and reduce the size. Login. All right. So we can expand. Come here. Expand that. Right, and then fix it however we want to fix it. Even this we can look at. Even the image inside, can touch on the image. Look at, we can work with anything at all that you want to work with. It's fully editable. Fully editable. So that is that about this AI. You can use it to design a full website in just a minute. You can also go back, give it a prompt to design for this, to design for this, and to design for whichever one you want to design for. So that is all for this video. I'll be making more videos if you're interested about using AI and how to design using how to design as a UI/UX designer. So if this is what interests you, please do well to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in our next video.